You're sad because you don't think you gained enough muscle. What do you mean you don't think you gained enough muscle? You lost weight but gained muscle, don't know if you should just deal with the plateau and keep going? You lost weight but gained muscle. How are you measuring your muscle gains? I mean, because depending on your bulk, if you were like really close to your maintenance level of calories, you might have burned fat and built muscle at the same time, which is probably why you probably didn't build as much muscle as you wanted to, because you were maybe close to maintenance, you know, or maybe even in a deficit. Like the closer to maintenance you are, like the more like you're capable of doing both fat loss and muscle gains, but they're both kind of slow and not very efficient. But the measuring tape has gotten like your inches around your, or centimeters around your biceps and your quads and everything have gone up. If you want more muscle, then yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong with staying in a bulk. It's a lot harder to cut, you know, cutting is a lot more stressful on your body than bulking, you know? And if you think that you got more gas in the tank to give to this bulk and you want to see if you can build muscle a little faster, then yeah, build that chunk. I love it. Yes, exactly. However, at the same time, you know, there's a lot of things that contribute to how fast your body can build muscle. Part of it is genetics. Part of it is how much protein you're eating. Part of it is how much, you know, calories you're eating. Part of it is also how much effective sleep you're getting, right? Like, if you're not getting enough effective rest, that's when your body actually builds muscle. So there's a lot of things that you might need to hone in on and play with to optimize your bulk. If you think that you should be able to build more muscle and you're not seeing the muscle growth at the rate that you want, those are things that you want to look at. Also, testosterone levels. I don't know what your age is. You know, you might need to get your testosterone levels checked, because sometimes low testosterone is, I mean, it's a thing that affects men ages 35 and up. So if you suspect that that might be a thing, I would go to the doctor, get your testosterone levels checked. This is way too many variables. I mean, it's if you want to build muscle and you want to maximize muscle, these are things that you do have to think about, right? And if what you're doing isn't working, there's lots of options for things that you can play with, you know, to try to squeeze more out of your bulk. Change up your workouts. I don't know how long you've been with your workout program. I don't know how long you've been doing like the same routine. You know what I mean? Like, you may have to change up your workout program. And if you're making progress, stick with it. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more trainer tips and exercise tutorials.